Tangina, hindi pala naka-video yun. Putang inang dami kong sinabi. Tangina! So, ito na yung sinabi ko kanina. So, as you know, hindi pa ako nagka-jowa. Like, as in, I considered myself as, no boyfriend since birth. Meron naman ako nakakausap. Pero like, grade 7, pandemic. Yung pandemic, I was 15 that time. And it is not that serious. Ngayon naman sa taas. So like, I never experienced being loved romantically by someone and being with someone. Pero natatawa lang ako sa part kasi every year ko naiisip yung parang, oh my god, this is my year, magkakajowa na ako, like ganun. Ang cringe. Hindi naman ako atat magkajowa kasi parang sobrang dami ko pang dapat i-try. Parang sinusubukan ako ni Lord na you need to experience this first, you need to learn this first kasi ayaw niya akong masaktan kasi gusto ko yung jowa na normal na hindi ako like magtatagal kami, walang on and off, walang eme-eme, like parang serious talaga, like parang committed talaga, ganun. So yun lang, it's just my thought lang. So bye, maglilinis pa ako, manhugas, magmamap, and mapipicture ato ng uniform. So ganun, bye. I'm gonna post this on my YouTube.